This is a used 2013 Mazda Miata. Zoom Zoom. Powered by rear-wheel drive, a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 4,000 miles, this vehicle is like new. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a power convertible top, a retractable hardtop, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, alloy rims, wheel locks, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system, cruise control, keyless entry. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, side airbags, independent suspension, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Chalmers Capital Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at Cerrillos Road, Santa Fe, New Mexico 87507.